Okay, kind of. Hey, this is Derek of the Quality Garage Door Company. Now we're going to remove an older model, Liftmaster chain drive model. It's a 3rd horsepower, so they just generally don't have that much of a life expectancy, but this is what you'll expect when the motor starts to fail entirely. You won't get it to be able to complete its cycle. So let's just go ahead and try it. I've got the button here, I'm right in front of it. Okay. It usually sounds pretty good, but what happens is when you get to a point where you have to increase the opener force, those knobs there, we have to increase them substantially, it's when the motor is starting to kind of just give out. So let's just see. And that's it. So that's kind of when the motor starts to fail. So we're gonna get a new LDCO801 put in here, and this thing is gonna purr. All right, watch this. All right, let's see if you can hear the opener challenge, right? I'm gonna hit the button, tell me if you can hear it. Is it working? Yeah, it actually is. But I can hear the door moving, I just can't hear this sucker. I can't hear it moving. I can't hear this machine going, but it's going. Here we go again. What do you hear? I hear rollers, I hear sections. That's just too good to be true. Okay, isn't it? All right, well, that's the LDCO right here. All ready to go.